we have strongly condemned those of our citizens who took the law into their own hands. Since the dawn of democracy in our country, we have sought to welcome and integrate immigrants from other parts of our continent and beyond our continent as well. Most of the people who have come have integrated into South African society, forming a vital bridge between South Africa and their countries of origin. At the same time, we have experienced a high influx of undocumented immigrants. You and I spoke about this extensively in our tete-a-tete. This phenomenon has intersected with economic hardship and unemployment experienced by many of our people, as it is also by your people, contributing to tensions between some local communities and foreign nationals. Recent events in South Africa have once more brought to the fore the fault lines that all of us on the African continent must address. While appreciating the hardship in some of our communities, we have strongly condemned those of our citizens who took the law into their own hands. We have accordingly directed law enforcement agencies to protect every person in our country and ensure that we uphold the rule of law. We welcome the call for a regional and continental discussion on the issue of migration. This discussion should consider all the factors that drive migration, including the responsibilities of all our countries and countries of origin and transit countries as well.